If the keyboard works in other Android apps but refuses to appear inside Mistplay, the problem is usually tied to the app session, Android's input system, or the keyboard app rather than your Mistplay account. By the end, you'll know how to restart Mistplay, reset the Android keyboard connection, and check the settings that can stop the keyboard from appearing. First, completely close Mistplay. Remove Mistplay from your recent apps, then open it again and return to the screen where you need to type. Test the keyboard before changing any account settings. If the keyboard still does not appear, restart your Android phone. This reloads the operating system's input service and can clear a temporary problem between Mistplay and your keyboard. Next, test your keyboard in another app. Open Messages, Google Search, or another app with a text field. If the keyboard appears normally there, your keyboard itself is working, and you can focus on Mistplay. If the keyboard does not appear anywhere, check your default keyboard. Open Android settings and search for Default Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard. Make sure a keyboard, such as Gboard or another installed keyboard, is enabled and selected as the default input method. If you use Gboard, open the Play Store and check for an available update. An outdated keyboard app can cause input problems in individual applications. Now check Mistplay's app settings. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Mistplay, and choose Force Stop. Then reopen Mistplay and test the same text field again. You can also clear Mistplay's cache. Open Mistplay's Storage or Storage and Cache section, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without requiring you to create another account. Do not immediately select Clear Data or uninstall Mistplay. Those actions are more disruptive and are not necessary for simple keyboard display problem. If the keyboard appears everywhere except one specific Mistplay screen, check whether Mistplay has an available update in the Google Play Store. Install the update, reopen the app, and test that screen again. If the keyboard problem started after an Android or Mistplay update, take a screenshot of the affected screen. Note your Android version and Mistplay version before contacting Mistplay support. If the keyboard works normally in other apps but remains missing only inside Mistplay after restarting, updating, and clearing the cache, the issue may be specific to that Mistplay screen. Support can investigate the app behavior using your device and app details. The practical order is simple: close Mistplay, restart your phone, test the keyboard elsewhere, verify your default keyboard, force stop Mistplay, clear its cache, and install available updates. Your next step is to test the keyboard in another app before changing anything else. If this fixed your Mistplay keyboard problem, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.